How's your holiday?
Continue baik.
Let's we sing song.
Good morning.
Brandon, how are you?
Jadi Brandon aku ya?
Ya.
Good morning. Nah, closing.
Closing. Udah langsung ya?
Closing langsung basic of video.
To your ulang lagi.
Mau lanjut.
Jangan opini Cak Susania.
I want to know.
So what about the so what do you think about
Ikat deh.
now the story? Now it's all about
Lanjut.
now the story has to remember. Now you need to take the soap, okay, and then salam harusnya basahin tangan dulu.
Iya, sudah.
Cepat kena aja bisa. Lama ya. Banyak iko mau sabun tadi. Pakai dulu. And then you itu udah sih tuh. Hi everyone. Lo mau mulai nih? Satu. Hi everyone. Go. Aku tuh lagi ngomong sisi panjangnya. Let's go deh.
That's all. Yay! It's time for you to make the video like us. Apa lagi? Sudah tuh.
Bye.
Don't forget to wash hand. Don't forget to wash hand.
Bye. Don't forget to wash your hand. Miss dulu ulang lagi yang tadi. Now it's time for you to wash your hand like us.
Now it's time for you to wash hand like us.
Yeah, to wash your hand with your hand.
Now it's time for you to wash your
To make the video.
Iya.